it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. Today I'm back to show you the new digital kit that I have loaded in my Etsy. It is named Martha and it's dedicated to my mother. And I really wanted it to be a tribute to my mother. She was a wonderful woman, wonderful mother, an awesome grandmother, and a friend to so many people. So I had started this kit while she was in the hospital. I didn't get a chance to finish it, obviously, because she had passed. So last week I took the time to sit down and get it finished. I integrated a lot of things that she liked, and so it has a lot of her style and my style kind of combined. I really like it. I hope that you do too. So without any further ado, let's get started. There are 7 background pages. I did 7 because I wanted to make sure that you had a variety of different things depending on which direction you might be going with your journal or with your scrapbooking or whatever you're going to use it for. I did print on both sides, but so there's just, you could use it for collage, you could use it as an actual cover page for a signature, whatever you wanted to do. So this one I liked. It has some music paper. It's on like tea-stained, it has a tea-stained background with some clocks. My mother really liked clocks. She had a beautiful, beautiful grandfather clock, and she used to collect little ones as well. And some of her favorite flowers were lilies and roses, so those are integrated in here as well. So you have this one. And this one is on tea-stained graph paper, and it just has some stamping on there lightly in the background with a really pretty white rose in there, and I thought that would be great for maybe just a page within the journal. And then here is a collage sheet. And it just has some, it has a map of Scotland, and that is where my mother is from. She's from Glasgow, Scotland. And just some other French ephemera and a tag from New York and that kind of stuff. And then here's another background. Just has some pretty script on it and some lilies. And then here is a music page, and it has a beautiful lily on the front. And then here we have one with clocks and birds and tickets and just some ephemera. Just a nice background, or even like a bookend, like a tuck-in for your book or for your journal. And then just another lovely page that you can use to collage or add something to, tags or whatever. And then it comes with a ledger page, a beautiful scripted bird. Okay. I did 2 journaling pages, full journaling pages, so that, and this one I printed on the back of some coffee stain paper because it was a little bit darker. But, you know, you could put it in here and have 2 spaces in there for journaling on that one. And then this one as well, it has some graph paper and some lined paper. And then we have 2 sheets that have tags and tickets and flags on them. So these are your 3 of the tags, and then matching tickets. And I tried to get them to match some of the other pages as well. So try to get the kit to match up as much as possible. And then here is another tag with a matching ticket, 3 matching flags, and then 2. You could actually punch a hole in the top, make a tag out of it, or use it as a journaling card. Either way. And then this one has 4 smaller journaling cards and 3 stamps in there. And then this one is a tea bag envelope, and then the front of a postcard. or you could use it as a journaling card or whatever you want it. And then this one is the back to that matches that postcard, and then another envelope. And the journaling cards, these journaling cards here, and back out, these fit in here, in these envelopes. And then here's another tea bag envelope, and the front of another postage stamp, or a postage card. A postcard. A postcard. And then here is the back to that, and another envelope. So that is the kit. It is in my Etsy. It has, I believe there's 5 zip files in it. So, and so there's a total of 17 pages in there you'll get with this kit. This will be another project that I'm going to start as soon as I finish up with my previous, the current project that I'm on with the Beekeeper Journal. So I hope that you guys will really enjoy the kit, and hopefully you guys will do some craft along with me, because I'd like to do a nice little journal to dedicate for my mom, to put some memories and stuff like that in there. And I hope maybe you guys can use it for another project that you might have for the summer. So until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope that you'll craft along with me, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.